When I started, I knew basically nothing at all about how wafers work.
Going into this, I did not know much about manufacturing.
Before Western Digital, I worked as a house cleaner.
Western Digital is on the cutting edge of technology. We need innovative ideas to stay competitive in this industry. With lack of relevant skills for this type of work, we started an apprenticeship program.
The Apprenticeship Program is innovative in all aspects. We were one of the first companies in the state of California to bring a manufacturing apprenticeship to life.
I'm not a computer savvy person, but this program has taught me a lot about the technical skills.
Overall, this experience taught me to look at things in a different picture.
Right now, I have a child on the way, and I was still able to complete the program.
The coursework and mentorship really sets you up for success.
We don't only train them on the technical aspects of the job, but we're also training them what we do for a business. With the education and the mentorship, they get the platform to be competitive for future opportunities.
They had seasoned professionals working with them on a daily basis to teach those competencies and to transfer knowledge between our experienced workers and themselves.
The education is really helpful. You could get your AS degrees in engineering, or you could get your certification for maintenance.
I'm in the road to becoming a process engineer.
My next steps will be to get my CAD mechanical certificate, and after that, I will be pursuing the engineering degree.
These apprentices are the future for Western Digital. There's no reason why you couldn't be successful here. All you need to bring to the table is curiosity, love to solve problems, and be dedicated to putting in the work.
I'm proud to recognize the very first cohort with Western Digital's Advanced Manufacturing Apprenticeship. Congratulations on this achievement, you've earned it.
Going through the program, I was able to learn a lot about myself.
This program showed me a way forward.
I'm really grateful for this opportunity. This apprenticeship program makes me believe that I can do more.